Well, the EU has this cultural heritage and tourism program in order to help Serbia to develop its industry of tourism and also all its cultural heritage. So, for example, the EU has been helping to refurbish and reconstruct the Golubac Fortress or the Franciscan Monastery in Bač. And it's also helping for some things in Belgrade, as the reconstruction or the refurbishment of the National Theatre in Belgrade. And for example, here we are in Rajačke Pevnice in order to help this part of Serbia to develop its industry of tourism. Yes, I told before that here in Rajačke Pivnice we are helping to develop the tourism and to refurbish all these beautiful buildings of the traditional architecture in this area. And the EU is investing 800,000 millions here only in this village that has this wine tradition really particular to this area, and that will also help to develop the tourism and people to come here to help people stay in this area and not to go outside in order to fix the economy of this area. And we are also helping for the water management and sewage in the area, so there could be rural hotels, and just to make it known not only in Serbia but outside Serbia. Well, the EU has a lot of programs for the cultural heritage and promote tourism, and it has a lot of experience in that. So the EU can help and is really helping Serbia to develop this industry and to develop these projects. We have a lot of experience. Most countries in Europe, I come from Spain, and Spain, yes, is a power in tourism and also in cultural heritage. And we have a lot of expertise that can give Serbia a real impulse in this sector. Well, the most important step, unfortunately, is investment. And it's really expensive to maintain a cultural heritage and to develop touristic industries. This is the most important step. And also to educate people to respect their own cultural heritage and to promote it not only outside but inside its own country. Spain has a great cultural heritage and also has developed one of the most important touristic industries in the world. For example, concerning cultural heritage, we have 77 different places that are considered as for UNESCO as preserving heritage monuments and natural reserves, and it's number 3rd in the world after China and Italy in the number of sites preserved by UNESCO. And on the touristic side, we had, for example, more than 80 million visitors in the last years, each year. So we have a lot of expertise and experience we can share with Serbia in that way, and we are doing it. There are also problems, of course, and preserving cultural heritage is very expensive, and also the kind of things you can develop on the touristic side concerning cultural heritage can damage sometimes the cultural monuments. So you have also to find a balance, an equilibrium between preserving and developing the touristic sectors. And we have done bad things in some places. So it's also good for Serbia to know what we did badly in order to not to do it here. So we can also give Serbia both experiences, the positive experience of how to develop, how to invest, and also the negative experience of what not to do.
Pivnice, kao i Rogljevačke i Smederevačke, su pravo kulturno blago Srbije. One su znak koliko je nekada ovo mesto bilo moćno i bogato i to je nešto što smo nasledili od naših predaka, a i nešto jedinstveno u Evropi, pa rekla bi u svetu. Tako da je veoma bitno za nas da održimo to, da očuvamo. Kao što vidite, ovo mesto polako umire i to je veoma žalosno, a i mladi idu iz ovog kraja u neke malo stabilnije zemlje. Tako da se nadamo da će ovim projektom i uz pomoć Evropske unije da oživimo ovo mesto i da povučemo još mladih da se vrate da rade na selu i da žive ovde. Već sad vidimo neke rezultate. Teško je reći još šta će se desiti, ali ovim projektom i dugotrajnim projektom i finansijskim sredstvima omogućili su nama da opstanemo ovde. Stvorili su stabilne baze da nastavimo sa tim projektima i da stvaramo nove ideje. Dali su nam još veću motivaciju. Tako da nadamo se na veoma pozitivne rezultate u bliskoj budućnosti. Već 2 godine za redom u Rogljevu i u Rajcu organizujemo festival vina i lepog raspoloženja koje je doprinelo dosta vidljivosti i mnogo turista, što znači i dosta novca za nas. Videla sam da su ljudi prezadovoljni kad dođu ovde, oduševe se zato što je ovo stvarno nešto jedinstveno. Zato sam i ja odlučila baš ovde da dođem. Putovala sam, živjela sam u inostranstvu i prepoznala sam ovde nešto neverovatno. Nemamo ništa da zavidimo drugim zemljama, čak naprotiv, imamo da ponudimo dosta toga, tako da smatram da treba što više ljudi da se vrate ovde i da rade, da žive, a i da cene ovo blago što imamo.